Daily mental maths exercises are a vital part of any maths curriculum. But creating an effective mental maths program can be time-consuming and difficult. Make your daily mental maths lessons quick and easy with Think Mentals. You can now choose between the award-winning student workbooks and the new Think Mentals digital classroom, which has all the great features of the student workbooks with the added benefits of a digital platform. It starts with the suite of high-quality teaching resources. You can teach the friendly Think Mentals strategies through engaging videos and slideshows that can be projected in the classroom. These resources can also be accessed by students on their own devices for revision and consolidation. Once you've taught and modelled a strategy, students can demonstrate their knowledge and understanding by completing the mental computation questions online. The questions are automatically marked, which is the ultimate time saver, freeing you up to focus on the most important aspect of the classroom, your students. You can also monitor student performance in real time with the activity tracker. It highlights areas of strength and weakness amongst your class, allowing you to revise and consolidate concepts and strategies before students tackle the following day's questions. All results are efficiently captured and collated for you in the class and student portfolios. The class assessment results page presents whole class results in an easy-to-use markbook format. The breakdown of results is ideal for termly reporting. Individual results are compiled in student portfolios, which you can review for reporting on formative and summative tasks, and are an easy way to display student results in parent-teacher interviews. With so many great features that will engage students and save you time, Think Mentals digital classroom really is the friendlier approach to mental computation. Contact one of our education consultants today to discuss how Think Mentals digital classroom or Think Mentals student workbooks will suit your school.